Is there a mouse on your back? There's a... Okay. Okay. I'm gonna... Okay, no. Okay.
Me having a bad day but getting to sniff little soft kitten paws, yummy stinky.
Her name is Mia, and she loves my singing. Mia, oh, she did.
Que foi, Pique? Olha lá.
So, sorry if this is the wrong time, but I need a shite.
What the f- Halo? Are you ugly on purpose?
Lemmy, are you sitting on my toothbrush? Lemmy, that's disgusting.
Ma'am, that's my breakfast. Oh, no! Oh!
Get out of my face.
Yo, what up? What's the plan, B-man? Great. No kitties on the table. Put my stuff down. Stop it. Stop. Put it down. Pigeon.
My hands are trained for this little one. You can't defeat me. You are just a baby.
June, your freaking butt smells like poop, dude. Get the f out.
No. Oh, voodoo. No.
Should I get a dog?
Dat is je verzoekje.
Look at all this. Look what you're doing, dude. Get out. Out. That's it. Out. Come on. Get out.
Sometimes I gotta beat the ladies off with a stick. Back, woman! Back us!
Want some pittance? It's good to see you, kitty cat. Yeah, you come to hang out? How you do? Oh!
Frank. 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 Bro. I thought you was dead, mo.
Man, I think it's raining. Oh, hi, Winnie. So, oh.
You don't get fed until 6.893位㗎890位㗎你打我 Here comes the boy. Hello, boy.
Hey, I know you really like the box, but if you get on that corner, it's gonna fall off the entire table, you know that? Man!
Why is it spicy?
Hello. Today when my foster mommy came to feed me, I was stuck in a shoe. She freed me but then I got stuck in it again 5 minutes later because I am an idiot. Now I cannot be left alone with shoes.
SpongeBob, SpongeBob, Patrick.
Eh? Tu fais attention aux ananas de maman. Attention! Sky! Ça coupe!
I began to pass out. Then my head hit the wall. Boom!
What? Why?
Are you kidding me with this? She doesn't want to play with you. Get out. Get out of there. Come on. This is not your home, Henry. I'm so sorry, Maya. I'm so sorry.
I don't know what drugs you took this morning, but this is unacceptable behavior. Do you hear me? Kitten? Do you hear me?
Well, they're obviously not hurting you. You put yourself in here. The heck?
Don't try it. Okay.
Tell him, baby. Tell him. Oh, yeah. Uh-huh. Oh, shit. You stuck? No.
I would like to thank you for guarding me while I poop. You took a job that nobody wanted, and you really stepped up to the plate.
Oh, rhythm, you too. Are you guys gonna take turns hissing at each other?
What is that? Is that for me?
Does anyone else's cat do this to them? Or is it just my cat?
Basta. Basta. No basta. No. Why?
Oh, it's okay, it's okay. It doesn't hurt her, she just is freaking out.
Come here.
Man, you ain't even had to do me like that, pimp. You ain't even had to do me like. Hey, this man. Hey, this man just. I don't want to do this no more.
Yo, I'm on Pet Finder. We got names like Clayton and Summer, but then we got cats like Solar Flare, followed by his sister Flaming Asteroid, followed by Golf Ball-sized Tail.
Okay, Peaches. Okay. This is the child lock that I put on the door. Oh my gosh, she's so smart. He knows I unlocked it. Let's see how many seconds it takes him to go in. What do you think, Sparky Doodle? Oh, here comes his partner in crime. You want the shoes, don't you? Here he goes. Here comes Baby Bindi. Baby Bindi came to watch. He's like, can I really, Ma? Can I really? You gonna let me open the door? Peaches, you're hanging 10. Yay! Oh my gosh, the closet keeps getting messier and messier. Look it's Land of the Misfit Toys.
Please, please. Oh my god. He killed my laptop.
Come here, you! Get on out of my shit! That's the last straw! I'm gonna cook you into Christmas dinner. You better come right here! Oops.
No. No. No peas. No, no. It's just peas. Why do you want it? No, go away. Stop it. Stop.
Are you about to knock over those peanuts? Cocktail peanuts. Boo!